tayo.
Ano ba? Lumang pump house to, no? Wala ba? Alam mo, hindi na kita sasama dito. Masyado kang bad.
Kasi naman, pwede sa kotse.
Pwede doon. Pag damoy ng nanay ko, hindi na ako papagamitin ng kotse. Ayun o, parang wig na nakasabit o. Ayun o.
Ano ba?
Ayun, pare, may orbs.
Let's go!
Ano ka ba? Tingnan mo doon. Huwag kang maingay. Ano mo, maririnig tayo eh.
Ano ba?
Pare yun o. Parang wala na. Wala natin ito sabi na doon o, parang may duwende o. Duwende o.
Okay, now is our guard duty time. Look at this slacker over here. What is he doing? 4 hour shift. Now it's 12:32 down here. And look at what we are doing. Nothing down here, man. What? Full moon. Full moon. Let's take a look. Damn, it's a full moon, man.
Making out like that, yeah.
That's why it's so romantic down here. Hey, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Hey, quiet, hey! Hey, come,
Contact.
Down.
Hey, what's that sound, man?
Hey, that room, man.
Better report it.
Yes.
Where the fuck is the guy, man? Where the fuck?
Got room to, someone to tell
Hey, he's still getting. Let it. What the fuck? Is that? Fucking shit is that?